Hi my loves, welcome back to another amazing dish. You can go ahead and just add this to your quick dinner menu because this is quick, and it's not just quick, it's also delicious. You can use either thigh or you can use chicken breast. I'm gonna debone my chicken breast because it's cheaper to buy the one with the bone. But you can buy the one that's already deboned. And don't worry, after deboning, I just use that part with the bone and put it aside to put in my chicken soup, or if I'm making curry chicken, I add it to it, or my brown stew. So yeah, it turns out perfect for me. So now I have my chicken breast here, and you all know that thigh is more juicier, so if you want to use thigh, you can go ahead. I just went out to brunch with my daughters, and one of them ordered this dish. I took a quick picture of it and decided that I was gonna come home and make it my own. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead, rinse the chicken breast, and we're gonna pat dry and then apply our seasoning. Gonna add some olive oil, add some chicken seasoning, cayenne pepper, some Creole, pasta going in first, add some salt, and I'm using Penne pasta. Pot is well hot. I'm greasing it. So chicken breast doesn't take a very long time to cook, especially since I cut mine in two. However, it usually takes like 8 to 10 minutes for the chicken breast to cook, especially if you want to keep it juicy. Don't keep it in the pan too long. And if you're not sure, you have a thermometer, you can use it. Once your internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, you know that your chicken is properly cooked. So my pasta is cooked. We're going to set that aside. My chicken is all done as well, and we're going to move on to the veggies. So I'm using this vegetable mix. It has broccoli, bok choy, carrots, bell peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, onion, and I added sweet corn, but you can use whatever vegetable you have at hand. But these go so well together along with the pasta. We're stir frying this in some olive oil, and I added butter. Now you can go ahead and season this to perfection. I'm adding some dried Italian herbs. I'm adding black pepper and some chicken seasoning. You can add vegetable seasoning if you like. Now at this point, I'm basically going to just cover the pot. You can just stir fry this as is, but I want my veggie to get a little bit soft. Not too soft, but I don't want them too crunchy. And I almost forgot my red cherry tomatoes. I'm adding them in, and some yellow ones as well. This pot is so colorful and so flavorful. You have to try it. I promise you, you're going to thank me later. No, I'm not going to cover back the pot. I'm just going to add in my pasta now and let everything cook down and absorb the flavor. All the flavors get to blend together along with the pasta, and then that's it. Just like that, your dinner is ready. Actually, at the restaurant, it seems as if they add back the chicken in here as well, but the chicken has so much flavor by itself. I just want to serve it on the side. It's totally up to you how you want to do it, but I'm not gonna disturb the chicken as is. I'm gonna let it stay, and we're gonna cut them, slice them, and serve them on the side of the pasta. But when you combine the vegetables and the pasta along with the olive oil and the butter and all those flavors, I'm telling you, you could literally have this dish on its own without any chicken, without any shrimp, just by itself. I'm just adding in some spice with some cayenne pepper, Just a hint of spice, not too much. Dinner ready, you know. Anytime I'm in the kitchen cooking and Trelawney knows that the food is ready, she always act up. So we're gonna give her some of the corn, let her enjoy herself.
Yeah, this is so good. Even like without eating the chicken, just the pasta.
Never need no chicken.
It looks good on its own. Trelawney is our new food reviewer.
Trelawney like everything, everything food. Remember cayenne the funny say I see. Just give her like.
It's not spicy at all.
So like too fast a while ago.
Guys, this is so good. Hold on, let me chew. This is so good. Y'all have to try this recipe. My mom created this. It was inspired by a restaurant that we went to. I tried the pasta there and I loved it. And she said she could make it and it tastes really good. Like this is so good. The only thing
that this had bok choy. Theirs didn't have any bok choy, but theirs had green peas, and mine doesn't have any green peas.
Okay, it tastes good. I can tell. I can't tell the difference. Like this is good, and I didn't have to pay all that money for it. Yeah. You guys gotta try this at home.
She started giving me thumbs up. She said, "Yes, Grandma. Yeah, you did that. You did that."
Trelawney's just glad for the food.
She's like, yeah.
She loves the fruits, the vegetable, no matter what it is.
Give Grandma the thumbs up.
She's gonna eat it. No, you did not swallow that corn already. Show them that you have a tooth. Trelawney officially has a tooth now, guys. So she's already ready for some food. She's gonna start eating some meat soon. All right, say bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. What are you laughing about?
Say bye. Look up here and say bye.
Say bye. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. I promise y'all are going to love it. I'm about to finish this plate off camera. Shout out to my mom. Make sure y'all try it. Send her a picture or comment if you do. Love you guys. Bye-bye.